Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Esther Ujah and I'm so excited you're here. If you've ever wanted to learn simple everyday makeup, so easy outfits, or watch someone figure life out one step at a time, then you're in the right place. I'm 26 years old, Nigerian, and currently based in Abuja. I'm a computer science graduate, yes, tech girl by certificate, creative girl by passion. Honestly, I'm just a young girl trying to figure life out, career, business, and everything in between. And I've decided to bring you all on this journey with me. My love for makeup actually started a long time ago. And luckily for me, I come from a family of very stylish women. I used to steal my mom's foundation. I didn't care if it was my shade or not. I had makeup on and that was all that mattered. In 2019, I took a personal makeup class. My eldest sister actually paid for that class. In 2024, I learned makeup professionally, and that was when the passion for makeup really grew. Thank God for family members that are always supporting me. Then there's sewing. I've always loved the idea of making clothes, but somehow I would always talk myself out of it. Most everyone I know sews, my elder sister sews, so there's no need. They can just make clothes for me. But I don't know how it happened. In 2025, I just said that I wanted to do it. And I got up and enrolled for a class. I'm not here to act like a fashion expert. I'm learning, improving, and growing. And I'm here to share all that I've learned in the easiest way possible. So on this channel, you can expect simple, beginner-friendly personal makeup tutorials, easy pattern drafting and sewing tutorials, honest product recommendation for makeup and sewing. From time to time, lifestyle vlogs about my life in Abuja. My goal is to teach in a way that is very easy to understand, especially for beginners. No complicated grammar, no intimidation, just practical, real life tips that you can actually use. And fun fact, I own a small accessory business called the EU brand. So you probably see bits of that journey on here too. I'm really excited to start this journey with you here. So if any of this sounds like your kind of content, please subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me a little about yourself too. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.